talking, or I am going to be talking about just, you know, packing, and just how I use, you know, pouches for that, and just, you know, any other tips and tools or hacks that you guys want to share, feel free. So to begin, I have this wonderful suitcase here. Boom. And as you can see, I threw some clothes in. You know, I tried to fold them up, but also show what it looks like, you know, once you actually get to your destination and, you know, you start to go through the actual clothes. You know, after a while, your suitcase might start looking like this. So, as moms, you know, I want us just to not feel so overwhelmed. And one of the ways to do that is just being organized in small, tangible ways. So one of those ways is by using pouches in the luggage, in the suitcase. So this is our 16-inch pouch. And so I'm just going to take some of the clothes. And, well, actually, let me take the clothes, put them onto this side, so that we can start to pack, and I can like show y'all a before and after. Okay, let me put the clothes back. Wait, put the clothes back. So this is the before, and then I'm gonna put the clothes over here so we can start packing and getting organized. And I hear my kids out there just running around, so I'm like, oh my gosh, please do not be like busting up in here. Okay, all right, so we have the 16-inch pouch. All right, so for example, I'm going to get an outfit here. So there's several ways that you can, you know, pack. You can, you know, fold, you can roll, I guess you can twist, you know, whatever makes your heart content. But for here, we're going to be folding just so that we can put the clothes into the pouch. So one of the ways that I, you know, try to organize is by child or by day. So either per pouch, I'll put in like, you know, daytime clothes per child for like the entire trip, or I will put in, because I have 2 kids, so I'll put in their clothes, you know, into the, just, you know, one packing pouch per day. So for example, today's Saturday, all their Saturday clothes would be in this pouch. So I would just grab it out, boom, boom, like this is what you need to put on. So today I just have my son's items. So we're going to be packing my son's items into one pouch. All right, so I'm going to show y'all. So for example, to begin, I should have like put the outfits together so I could have shown y'all some like cute outfits, but yes, but you know what? This is mom life. Okay, so something for my son. Hey, Karina. Hey, girl. So let's go ahead and just, all right. Y'all know I'm still learning this, you know, tech stuff. Okay. All right. So, you know, I have this little, you know, blue pants, nice little matching shirt. So one way that, you know, you can fold is you can just, or not fold, but roll, fold, roll, twist, you know. One way that you can do it is just by lining them up and placing the shirt over the pants, has so, and then you just roll it up. You know, we're going to roll. And then something that I do is I picked they're not rubber bands, and I don't have any on me, but they're sort of like hair ties, but they're not hair ties. They are especially for like electronics or for clothing, and basically you just wrap it around and it keeps your clothes all together. So that's one way. So we're going to put this into the pouch. So we have it. Here we go. We have up. Can y'all see it? Maybe not. There we go. There we go. So we have one little outfit all the way already in our pouch. So that's, you know, let's say that's going to be Saturday's outfit. There you go. Yes, and you can also do extra socks. Like you can, when you are, you know, rolling this up, you can place some socks in here. So when you unroll it, you have a complete outfit. Okay. All right, so we're going to put that in there. All right, so that's one way to do it. You know, you just roll it up, and you can use, like I said, one of those, you know, hair ties. No, they're not hair ties. I think it's called Wrap It or something. I'm trying to think what the actual name of it is, but I don't have any on me. But I will post them in my stories. But just, it's sort of like a hair tie, but you can use it for electronics so that they don't all become tangled. You can even use it for like clothing, and you would just wrap it around and boom, like it is together. It is like when you take it out, it is there for you in one piece, all assembled, mama. All right. Yes, and use socks to hold it together. All right, so the next outfit that we're going to do is, for example, we want this to be, you know, Sunday, you know, casual. We're going to go out to the park or something. So we have some nice sweats, and then we have another t-shirt. Boom, boom. So we're going to put it together. But what we're going to do for folding this one is, okay, see if I can do this this way. So we're going to line them up the same way as last time. You know, we're going to just make sure that the shirt is on top of the pants. It is folded sideways. So what you're gonna do is, so where these, let me bring my little, hold on, I gotta bring my pedestal over here, y'all. More like a chair. Okay, so like in the middle, you wanna take the top piece and like fold it over, and then where the cuffs are, just fold over the cuffs. So this is what it looks like now. All right. So then we're gonna start from the top, from like the band of the pants where the shirt is also, and we're just gonna roll. 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 Roll it, roll it, roll it. And so you're gonna take this piece where the cuff is and move the chair back, or my pedestal, move it back. And then you're just going to take it on down. And so this is another way that you can roll the clothes together so that once you put it into your pouch, it's all together. And yeah, you can also definitely put, you know, socks in here too. But as a fabulous mama just mentioned, Karina, yes, so you can actually take socks. I don't have any socks since it's a little bit warm, but you can actually take socks, and you can put take the socks and like roll the socks over the actual over the rolled clothing. So that's another way that you can do it too. So here we get the little pouch. So now we have two nicely rolled outfits. Let's say this is a Saturday and Sunday outfit. Let's go ahead and get another outfit. We're just gonna, you know, another shirt, some more pants, make it do what it do. So just gonna roll, 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 roll. And then we're gonna add it to the pouch. Just gonna put the pouch down here. So, and then boom, you have 3 outfits in here. So let's just say, you know, we're going to be going on like a 4-day trip. So we only need like 3 outfits. Well, actually, no, as a mom in real life, we have learned always have extra outfits for the kids because they can get into some stuff. So let's just pack one more outfit, you know, because we want to be on the safe side, okay? Because these kids. So we got some shorts, you know, nice little shirt to go with it. Boom, boom. I feel like I'm a fashion stylist as well when it comes to packing my kids' items. I'm like, what should I do? You know, I feel like I'm the fashion stylist extraordinaire, even though I'm most likely not. But just gonna roll this together and put it in our pouch so that we have 3 outfits. Let's say Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then we have an extra outfit in there. And you can also roll it with the actual socks, or you could take socks and, you know, actually put it over the actual outfit. So something I would do is I would put a laundry sheet in here, like a dryer sheet, to keep the clothes, you know, smelling fresh, smelling nice. So this is how the clothes look inside the pouch. So all of his daytime outfits are already in this pouch. And then I have another pouch here. Boom, boom, boom. So this is the 14-inch pouch. And in this pouch, we can pack some of his like pajamas and stuff, or some like, you know, just lounge clothes. So got some shorts, you know, another shirt. We can just roll these together. Got some, these are Easter pajamas, and yes, we are still rocking the Easter pajamas because guess what? They fit. So, I mean, if your Christmas pajamas still fit, rock them, okay? Like, just because, you know, the Christmas tree is down, you know, and we're no longer singing Christmas carols, that's no reason to stop wearing the pajamas. If they fit, wear them, okay, girl? All right. So we're just going to roll these pajamas. Yes. Oh my gosh, so what happened in in the car. Oh my goodness, what happened? Oh no. All right, so then we have, you know, just the pajamas in here. All I have right now are just, you know, 2. So other things that I can add in this pouch are just, you know, socks. You know, if my son, we did start potty training, not going as well. So like I, you know, may put some like, you know, nighttime stuff in here, you know, for him. But, you know, potty training's not going as well, so we're still in, you know, diaper land. But, you know, other things that you can add in here, in addition to the pajamas, are just like your nighttime routine items. So if you want to put his like, you know, toothbrush or any like lotion, go ahead and like plop it in. So that way, you know, this pouch is for the nighttime routine activity. So you have your pajamas, your toothbrush, or, you know, lotion, just, you know, plop it all in. So that way, you know, you're organized, and that's one less thing that you have to like worry about. Like you don't have to go scrambling into your suitcase and you're like, where is it at? Because after you open it up and you start, something else that I want to mention, that the suitcase is always including like a Tide to go pen. So in addition to the like laundry sheet, also include like a Tide to go pen, because I have learned that like I can put on an outfit, my children can put on an outfit, and they have been wearing it for legit 45 minutes and something spills and I'm like, but you didn't even sweat yet. Like it's not even really dirty. So get this pen out. We just gonna, you know, clean it up because we are going to continue to wear this outfit. Like, I mean, the amounts of spills and stuff that kids go through, I feel like if I change them every time something happened, we would have like 6 outfit changes. Like it's an entire production. The amount of spills and stuff that kids can just get into. So also pack one of these, mamas. It's like a lifesaver. Yes, send me a link. Yes, I'm all about just new items that can definitely assist with just like packing and like mama hacks. But yes, I also like my clothes to smell good within my actual like luggage and suitcases. So yes, send it to me. All right, so I'm just gonna show y'all what the suitcase looks like now that we've done some packing. So this is what it looks like. Looks nice and organized. I mean, you can rearrange it. It doesn't have to be necessarily like this. Let's see, we can rearrange it. So even if we wanted to do like this way, make sure it doesn't roll out. So you can even do it like this way. So you still have so much space down here in this part of your suitcase. I know before when I first, you know, showed you what the actual suitcase looked like, there were clothes everywhere. It was just, stuff was just everywhere. So yeah, this is just, you know, one way just to keep the luggage organized and not have stuff just go everywhere. And then also, you know that, okay, this has all the daytime clothes, so I'll just open it up, boom, and then we just take one of our fabulously rolled outfits out, boom, this is what you're, you know, going to wear. And then I also include a laundry bag, so that way once, you know, the day is, you know, over or the activity is over, boom, just put it in the laundry bag. So once I get home, everything gets dumped into the washer. Oh, that's something else that I've also learned throughout the years. Make sure before you leave on any trip, any vacation, that your washer and dryer has nothing in it. Because when you get back, you just want to dump all of those clothes right in the washer so that you can empty your actual suitcase and you don't feel as though, oh my gosh, it's still there. I need to clean it up. I need to put it away. You know, as you know, moms, we can like just see stuff and it can just make us feel so overwhelmed. So, you know, that's just one way to just, you know, help us stay organized and not feel so overwhelmed, because overwhelming, like, just motherhood has so many overwhelming moments. And I hope by, you know, just some of these tips that it, you know, helps you to not be as overwhelmed. But yeah, but today's chat was a little bit shorter than usual because we started late, because once again, motherhood, and I didn't have any like special drinks. All I had was my McDonald's coffee because life is real. But But thank you all for joining me today. I hope that I was able to share something useful with you, and just thank you to all the lovely mamas who have joined in, or even if you're watching this afterwards, thank you. But thank you for joining me today for today's Saturday chat. And until next week, cheers, mama. Bye.